Oracle Assets allows you to transfer an asset from one company to another company within the same corporate book, and it can automatically record the intercompany transactions for the same. Let us see how we can do the setups and transaction flow. We are going to transfer an asset from vision operations to vision constructions. The setups you need to perform for this is that you have to enable the balancing segment values within the ledger. Navigate to General Ledger and to Accounting Setup Manager. Query Vision Operations. And see that the balancing segment values have been assigned to the legal entity vision operations. If the values are not assigned, go to Update Balancing Segment Values, click on the pencil, click on the Add Balancing Segment Value and first update the balancing segment values. Then scroll down and go to Intracompany Balancing Rules. Make sure that for your legal entity, you have defined the rules for intercompany transactions. A rule for other source and other category, click on Update and the legal entity is Vision Operations. Make sure that you have specified a debit account and credit account which is going to be a receivables, intercompany receivables and intercompany payables account. Also make sure that you have enabled the intercompany balancing within the ledger. Navigate to the Update pencil for Vision Operations. Click on Next and see that Enable Intercompany Balancing is checked. Once you are done with this, the setups are ready. Let us execute the transaction flow. The ownership of the asset within Assets module is determined by the balancing segment value specified in the asset assignments. So let us navigate to Assets module. Let us query an asset. For this demonstration, we are going to use this asset in Ops Core Book. Go to Assignments. The balancing segment value specified in the expense account is 01, which is operations. That means that this asset is owned by Vision Operations, company 01. To transfer this asset from company 01 to, let us say, Vision Construction, that is company 70, we have to make a unit change here, -1. So we are removing it from 01 and we are going to make a unit change of +1, give the same expense account except the company which we are going to put, let us say, Vision Construction. We can keep the location same by pressing Shift F5. Click on Done. We have done the transfer. To see the effect, you must run the depreciation first. We have done the modify asset assignment. Now we have to run the depreciation. Unless you run the depreciation and create accounting, the transactions within the asset are not accounted and processed. Ops Corp. Let's close the period. Okay. Monitor the request and let it complete normally. Once the depreciation is completed, we are going to run create accounting process. The depreciation is completed normally. Let us navigate to Other request, run, and submit the create accounting process. For book type, Ops Corp, November 10. Submit the request. And view the request. Let the request get completed normally. So we have completed modification of the asset assignment. We have run the depreciation, and now we are running the create accounting process. The create accounting process has completed successfully. Now let us go and check whether the intercompany accounting has been done by Oracle Assets. We are querying the same asset in Ops Corp book. Let us see the transactions. A transfer transaction has been effected. Let us see what is the accounting done for transfer. As you can see here, the asset cost and accumulated depreciation has been transferred from the owner company to the new owner. So for example, from Vision Operations, the original cost of the asset, that is 135,000, is credited in Vision Operations because now it is debited to Vision Construction. It is now under the ownership of Vision Construction. The accumulated depreciation is also transferred to the new owner, and the difference has been accounted as intercompany receivables account and intercompany. This is the intercompany receivable account, the debit one, and the intercompany payable account, which is the credit one. So we created the accounting, and we have also seen the results, view accounting, and how the intercompany transaction has been recorded automatically by Oracle Assets and General Ledger. For this demonstration, we have used OS X El Capitan, Windows 10, Oracle Enterprise Linux, and Oracle 12.2.4. Let us know a little bit more about the 21 volume book set. Hope this video is useful for you. Thank you. Bye bye.